Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Honda HR-V. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, power moonroof, electronic stability control. Inside you'll find heated front seats, security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, panic alarm, cloth seat trim, passenger vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda Certified program is worth looking into.